What if your contribution could prevent erosion, empower women, and store carbon all in one? Let's talk about our bamboo river restoration project in Rwanda. Decades of deforestation and farming up to the riverbanks has caused major erosion issues. This erosion has led to loss of topsoil, flooding, and decreased crop productivity. Without intervention, farming becomes unsustainable and communities are at risk. The solution? Planting giant clumping sympodial bamboo. This species of clumping bamboo grows fast, is non-invasive, and protects the land. It stabilizes riverbanks and stops erosion due to its dense root system. This project has planted over 1,000 kilometers of bamboo along riverbanks throughout Rwanda. That's roughly the distance between Munich, Germany, and Rome. The project is scalable and designed to grow as more contributions come in. I was fortunate enough to have visited this project in Rwanda, and it was nothing short of magical. Most of the trip, we were with our local partner, EcoPlanet Bamboo, and their community manager, Rodney, took us around the country. At one of the maintenance sites, I had asked one of the employees and local villagers there if they have any saying that they live by, and they told me, Dukurane, umurava, dutere, imbere, which means, let's work together to move forward. This project has already created over 500 sustainable jobs, and there is deep community involvement and ownership and a lot of skill development that comes with that. Over 40% of workers have been women, creating jobs in communities that need them the most. If you're looking to contribute to real, measurable impact, this is what it can look like. Contact us today for our experts to help get you started.